Alright, so this is my 2004 Chevy Express 2500 8-liter with the 8-cylinder with a 6-liter engine, and it had been leaking coolant, and finally when I was on the road recently it overheated and there was smoke everywhere, steam. I couldn't figure out how to refill the fluid. I mean, normally you just stick it in the refrigerator and the overflow bin over there and it fills back up, but there is a warning on these vehicles that you have to fill it out in a specific way. Looked up around on the internet and found that the correct way to fill it up was to actually disconnect the upper radiator hose right there and start pouring it in that way. You also have to disconnect this hose right here, and you stop filling the upper radiator hose when fluid starts finally flowing out of there, and then you reconnect everything and then top it off. So I learned that the hard way, because even after I changed the leaky water pump, it was still overheating, and I was able to shut it down quickly and start refilling it the correct way. And after I did that, everything was solved. So now you know how to refill the coolant on one of these newer 2000, I think they started making them in 2002 and up, Chevy Expresses. Thanks for watching. Bye.